I'm not even 100% sure what the whole point of these are. I'm not sure if they have any kind of use tactically or anything like that. I mean, even if you put the gun back together blind, I don't really know what you're going to shoot at blind. Uh, Regardless, though, I've seen these guys doing this here lately on some of these channels where they're trying to do it in under 2 minutes. And I got my watch set up on stopwatch here. Let's see if I can take it apart, put it back together in under 2 minutes. I'm not sure if the guys that have been doing it as a challenge are just trying to put it back together in under 2 minutes, or how far they're breaking the BCG down, whatever. So we're just going to try to simply rip the BCG apart. We'll go ahead and take the charging handle out too. We'll see if we can all the way apart, minus the extractor, and back together in under 2 minutes. It's gonna be a little tough, but it's whatever. Okay. All right, make sure we've got my workspace is just gonna be right in here. Yada yada yada. Okay, here we go. And go. First of all, I guess we could do this. That just cut into my 2 minutes big time right there. Yeah, we'll take the dang charging handle out too. Why not? Now, I should have got a different dang rifle because this retention pin on this one is a bitch to get back in. Firing pin. Oh fuck, where'd that retention pin go? There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. Cam pin. Bolt. BCG. Good. Putting it back together. Gonna try to feel where that extractor's at. Shit. Oh, the extractor's right there. This is gonna be the bitch right here, is getting that line back up. Now, I used to. Son of a bitch. Oh man. What is that? Where the heck is that dang hole at? Ah! I used to do this on graveyards, except I'd always forget to take a dang blindfold. And so I'd go get a trash bag just for one of the little white trash bags, and I'd tie that around my face. Practice taking my pistol apart, and sometimes my patrol rifle. There it is. There it is. That absolutely killed our time, by the way. Cam pin's back in. Firing pin. Firing pin's in. Tension pin. Oh, see, I told y'all. This retention pin on this particular model here. Oh, I got it. Is a bitch. Where's that charging handle? BCG's going down. There's the charge handle. Oh. Ooh. Ah. 316. That's just not good enough. Round two. Round two. We're doing round two. Okay. All right, everybody gets a second chance in life. Let's close your desk cover. This time, mag's out. It's already clear. Go. Oh, going back blind. All right. Here she is. And go. Wait. Whoa. Reset it. 0. Going back blind. All right. And go. 316. Time to beat. Get out. Try to get it out without dropping the charging handle. Charging handle's coming out with it. BCG. Toughest part's getting that dang cam pin. Climb back up and see. This is bullshit right here. That retention pin always gives me problems with this little shorty here, which I guess the BCG doesn't discriminate. But cam pin. Bolts out. BCG, setting it all down, hands off. Going right back to it. There's the extractor right there. Extractor's going to face out. Cam pin. I know it doesn't go all the way in. But if I put that extractor just right, it's got to be close. We're nowhere close at all. There it goes. Cam pin's in. Firing pin. I'm worried about this retention pin right here. It's gonna firing pin's in. Tension pin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Be good to me. Oh. Retention pin. Tension pin's in. Charging handle. Getting a little shaky. Chalk that up to old age or something. What the hell's going on here? Charging handles in. Cams forward. Trying to line that dang gas tube up. And in doing so, I just pushed the dang bolt back. This is going to be worse than the first round. Ah. $3.11. Man, 5 seconds faster on round 2. Got to cramp something in there. Whew. Pathetic.